You working on your motorcycle?
Yes.
Is it almost done?
I need a screwdriver. Can I have that screwdriver, please? The yellow one?
Sure.
Okay, it's really big.
Yeah. Am I your assistant now? Am I tool boy for you?
These are all my screwdrivers.
Yeah.
And now we put this in the ring right here. So, I need this. Just like these. And this. And put these in here. Let me see. I need gloves. I need these gloves. These gloves are too big for me.
Yeah, the dad size?
Yeah, they are your size. Can you put these ones back, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I use these ones?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You need to put them back in the drawer.
Oh, they gotta go in the drawer? Can't sit them on the tool bench?
No.
No. Put them back?
Yeah, in the drawer.
Okay. There you go. Let's.
Thank you.
That's a
Close
good-
it now.
Oh, I didn't close it all the way. Pardon me, ma'am. Is it all fixed yet?
No.
No? Still working on it?
Yes, still. So, this is a screwdriver called screws, and you put the screws in here.
Mm-hmm.
You put it in there. Put the screw in there.
Good job, Babers.